Hey YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife, and this is my beautiful niece, Reagan. She is going to help me today. We are going to do an unboxing video. Oh my gosh. So we are going to do an unboxing video today, and I am just so excited, especially after you watched yesterday's video and you saw that I was a little bit disappointed in the color of those camera bags. I think you might be pleasantly surprised with what's in this box. And Reagan is going to do the honors and help me cut into this box with my handy dandy. Don't worry, you won't slice the bag inside. Just cut straight down the line and you'll be good to go. The bag's way down low. I can feel it. All right, and we need to do two little slice marks right here and on the other side. You're a pro at this.
Thanks.
You may need to be a professional box cutter opener person. All right, let's set this right here. Now this item I found on Amazon.com and it was a fantastic price. It was $134.99, retails for $295, and it is, here we go. Can you see it? You can't see it in all its beauty. They kind of just threw this in the box. No extra padding, but that will attest to the durability of the pebbled leather by Coach. Look at that. Holy cow. Oh my goodness, I love it. Look at the color. I don't know if you can appreciate the true beauty of this color, but oh wow. Look at the strap. Oh, it's upside down. Look at the strap. It still looks upside down. Okay, one more time. Look at the strap. You see the pink line in it? And it's almost like, I don't know if you can tell, it looks sort of like it might look ugly brown on the camera, but in person, it looks kind of coppery. What do you think?
Yeah, it looks copper.
I love rose gold jewelry. So, I mean, to me, copper just sort of looks like rose gold. And I feel like that will accent my rose gold jewelry, since you cannot find handbags with rose gold unless you buy Hermes or, and I'm not buying that, that's too expensive. Or there's another one. Who is it? I'm trying to think of the name. There's a company that does rose gold jewelry. Do you know what it is?
I can't think of it.
Not rose gold jewelry, rose gold handbag hardware. I can't think of it. Gosh, what is it? That drives me freaking crazy. Okay, well, I'll probably think of it midway through. I bought a dress from this company at an outlet, and I've never worn the dress, but it had rose gold hardware. Their bags had rose gold hardware. And I know Rebecca Minkoff does rose gold hardware. I'm totally on a tangent now. But most of the time when I see handbags that have rose gold hardware, it looks really orangey. So I end up just sticking with my old reliables, Coach, Tory Burch, Longchamp, and then the Fancy Pants brands, and none of them do a good rose gold. So I think I'm gonna see if I can get Reagan to try this bag on. First, let me just show you one quick thing. The bag comes with a grommeted strap, just like the ones that I swapped the straps with yesterday, but I never got around to showing you the strap on the inside. Not every camera bag comes with two straps by Coach. The chalk and the black don't. And then I wanna say the one with the heart print doesn't. But there's a super nice interior. It's almost that coppery color. No, it's not. It looks coppery, but it's not. It's the same pink as the outside of the bag. I'm gonna zip it up and Reagan's gonna try it on, and we're gonna see if this color, which is watermelon, by the way, I totally forgot to say, this is the watermelon Coach camera bag, and it's from Amazon from a seller called American Closeouts, and they don't have great reviews, so I was a little bit worried. But the reviews that were bad were all because people tried to return things and there was a restocking fee. And they say in their terms and conditions that if you want to return something and it's not because it's damaged or whatever, that there's a restocking fee. And so people shouldn't get all mad and give them bad reviews for that. So I went ahead, I gave them a try, and I'm very happy, other than they could have used a wee bit of padding in the box.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so let's get this adjusted for you, Reagan. Can you step right back there for me? And then we will try on this bag. Well, you're not going to actually wear my clothes, but I'm going to hold them up to you. That's a good length, isn't it? All right. Okay, so the first shirt I want to try on with this bag is a gold shirt. Bam. Looks pretty good. That gold's a little dull. Let's try another one real quick. I think, and maybe it needs more of like a golden yellow. Wow.
Yeah,
I
that
am
looks
loving
good.
that. That looks really good. Does it look good with my shirt? I wasn't even paying attention. No, it's too close. It's like it's competing with the strap. Let's try another one. What color do you want to try?
Like white maybe?
White?
Yeah, light pink.
So here's white. White's looking pretty good. We're rocking the white. And a pink. Let's see. What pink shall we choose? I'm wondering about this pink because it's sort of got those coral undertones. I think that looks pretty.
Yeah.
Good suggestion. My view in this video is not very appealing. Okay, what should we do next? It's got like some really pretty, it has that brown stripe through it. So maybe like a burgundy. So if you want to fall this bag up, wow.
Yeah, that looks good.
If you want to make this bag more of a fall bag, I think that the burgundy looks really pretty with it. But what I'm finding is this bag looks good with almost every color. I mean, you could do more of a plum color with it.
Yeah.
I think that looks good too.
Yeah.
And it's not an exact match for any part of the bag, but it still looks really good. What about green? Do you think green would look good?
Maybe. I mean, it looks pretty good. Yeah.
I think it looks good. Look at yourself.
Yeah.
Pretty good. I'm finding that this bag is a chameleon with colors, unlike the Petunia or the Pistachio yesterday. I mean, of course, it's going to look probably good with gray. I mean, what bag doesn't look good with gray?
I don't know.
Pretty much every bag looks good with
Yeah.
gray. Let's pick out a wild card. Do you think it would look good with purple?
Maybe.
I don't know. Let's give it a shot.
I mean,
Not bad, but probably not my first choice.
yeah.
Okay, yesterday when I was trying them on, the pistachio and the mint both look good with blue. Well, you're wearing blue, so yes, it looks good with blue. We think everything looks good with blue because blue jeans look good with everything.
Yeah.
So in our minds, we have it, yes, blue matches everything because denim matches everything. Well, if we didn't have such a thing called denim, we might not even think that. What about, like, this is totally crazy. I don't think it'll look good with this. Not bad, actually. Maybe with the plain strap instead of with this strap. But actually, I feel like that looks retro.
Yeah, it looks pretty.
I kind of like it.
Yeah.
Should we do any more? Do you want to pick the last one? This gold? Yeah, that'll be pretty. Okay, so this is a little cardigan action. I think it's gorgeous. I think that the copper is just different enough that it's like a tonal look.
Yeah.
Good choice, Reagan. All right, let's sit back down and we'll finish up. So I would say that this bag is a winner. What do you think?
Yeah, I really like it.
I do too. And did you feel it?
Wow, it's
So soft. And like, it doesn't have any stuffing in it anymore because I took it out, but feel how squishy.
yeah.
I'm not showing you guys, sorry. We're like obsessing over this bag here in our laps. And you're probably looking at us like, we don't want to look at the sides of your head. Come on. So this bag, I don't know if you can tell. My nails are atrocious, so ignore them, please. But this bag is just squishy and soft. And oh, and I didn't even show you the features yesterday. It has this exterior pocket, which is big enough for a million people have done these videos. I've watched them, but look, there's my ugly phone case. It fits in there just so. Now the magnet part doesn't close with it in there, but I mean, it doesn't stress the bag or leave indentions really on the outside. If you wanted to put it on this side, I would say the answer to that would be a no-go because this lock part gets in the way, then you can't close the lock. But if you were wanting to just slide it in there like real fast, you could do that. I don't know why you'd do that though. You got the back pocket.
Yeah.
So I'd say the back pocket for your phone. But don't put it in the front. It looks stupid. You don't want to look stupid, do you? Okay, so inside we have this slip pocket right here. There's the Coach Care or Reloved information. I'm not ready to relove this bag. I just want to love it. You know what reloved means?
Like return it or something?
It means if you're done wearing a bag and you don't want to wear it anymore, well, you can return it to Coach and they'll restore it and resell it, or they will put like flowers or patches or something where the damage is on the bag, and then they'll sell it for a whole lot more money. So they put these little tags inside their bags now that say Coach Reloved. And that way they're encouraging you to recycle.
Okay, yeah.
They kind of got in some trouble. I don't know if you've heard about this, but they got in some trouble because people found out that they were destroying, I think it was their damaged bags. They were destroying them, cutting them up and then throwing them in the trash. And that was really bad for their PR, their public relations. I'm having a hard time enunciating today. It was bad for their public relations. So then they came up with this whole campaign about restoring. So they're selling used bags that are restored. And then they're also selling used bags that they have like put patches and stuff on. And then I think they're probably also doing defective bags that they're putting patches on. And some of them are freaking bizarre. They'll sew a wallet on the front of the bag and then charge it for twice as much.
Wow.
And it's like, why would you sew a wallet on the outside of a bag?
Is this another pocket maybe?
But it looks so weird. It's like a wallet. And I mean, sometimes they make really cool designs. So the day that they sewed a wallet to the front, the person went out partying the night before and they weren't feeling so good the day that they sewed the wallet on. And they're just like, wallet, bag, yes, done, slap it on. No. Coach, don't do that. Be a little bit more creative. I know you have it in you. I'm Erin, and this is Reagan, and I'm the handbag housewife, and she is my special guest. This is the Coach Camera Bag in the color watermelon. It is not available anymore for any of you that may ask, but you can find it pre-loved. And I think I saw one on eBay for a pretty good deal. I may link that down in the box for you guys. This one's not available, but you can still find a few of the other colors if you like the style of this bag. And I like it. I mean, you like this style?
Yeah, I like it.
It's really comfortable to wear. The strap is super comfortable. So, okay, I'm sidetracked again. I'm Erin. I'm the handbag housewife. This is Reagan, my special guest. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Woo! I'm dropping my bag. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring my notification bell so that you are notified of exciting new content such as this. I bet you're subscribed. Are you subscribed?
My mom is.
Oh, yes. So I've got the support, the family love coming through. And what else was I saying? Oh, you can find me on Instagram. It's the same name. It's the @ symbol, then the handbag housewife. I post video links there as well as some mod shots and bag shots. Like recently, I've been posting a bunch of bag shots with bags with these really super cool straps that I've found because I'm working with a company that makes amazing quality straps. So you got to check that out. And you can also reach out to me on email. It's thehandbaghousewife@gmail.com. I hope you all have a fabulous rest of your day, and thank you so much for your time. Bye.
Bye.